Hello team, good afternoon. This is Prince. How's everybody doing today? Well, this is the Crude 4-hour chart. You can see we've got a bullish channel and the price has been trending up consistently for past few days. Or let's say for over a month now. Alright, let's draw one of the resistance that was at this point. 100.73 was our key resistance and we broke above it by 3% or by 324 ticks. You see, we approached here, took a pullback, and launched back by 4% increase in crude oil price. So this is a bigger time frame. If we zoom into a 30-minute chart, you can see how the trend lines, the boundary of the channel was being respected. You see that? But this is not the pair, this is just to have an overall idea of the market trend. So basically we are failing to make bigger lows and go back down for a good correction level, and it's just a small correction here, just a small dip of 2.3% in price, and after that the price quickly kept spiking up. But we can see here sellers trying to, if you see the candlesticks here on the 4-hour chart, the sellers are trying to push the price down. But these could be also considered as, these swing high levels could be considered as resistance zones as well. But originally we need to break below 101.01. But we are failing to do that. So this means this is a bull channel. We are above the 200 EMA at the moment on a bigger time frame. So we can still consider that the market is in a bullish trend mode and was just sideways for a while. So according to this big time frame, we can still go up, and we need to go above 100.43. 104.33 resistance. It's coming from this area here from the past. Can you see that? When the market fell down, it tested this area. It was also a breakout. You see, it's a very beautiful trade. Look, this was the support. The market broke out. Okay, it tried to pull back here, and they failed. So 104.33 is an important level on crude oil, and we might be breaking up. 103.25 is also a long trade in the room, in the oil Skype room, and 104.33 could be a buy stop as well. But we need to stop short selling very soon because we are in a sell zone. So what we could do is we could draw fib levels to have an idea. So we are approaching 61.8. Wow, 104.33 is coming. 104.30 level is also on the 61.8 level. Alright, so yep, we are entering into a resistance zone to go all the way back down, but we don't know. We'll only short if we're below 200 EMA. Okay, now we are above the 200 EMA. Let's look for buy opportunities, but this is not our chart. Our chart is 21 range chart, so let's go to the 21 range chart. I've drawn support and resistance levels for you already on the 21 range chart. You can see them. Let's draw a few supports. 21 range chart is enough for one time framing trading. Alright, but let's see, on the 21 range chart we also have this narrow bull channel. It's approximate size. If you draw from boundary to boundary, it's about 200 ticks on average. So the market tested these highs. The problem was yesterday, this was a breakout trade, of course, if you remember. This was a support, and I gave you an entry at 101.90, somewhere around 101.90, and the market fell right. I think this was it. Yeah, and we had entry here, and it was a good trade. It went 70 ticks in favor, and the rule is we should trail our stop to 50 ticks, but because I was greedy, I didn't move my stop. I didn't move my stop on purpose at 50 ticks. At least we would have made something in the return. So we'll remember this next time. We are still chopping at the highs, and also another thing is we forgot that you can always exit at the lows of a bull channel. That's one of the rules. But still, Even if you're still bearish and this is a sideways range and we continue to go down, this is our next target, 99.38. It's a good target because that's where the next support is. Another problem is that we don't have to analyze it deeply. Too much analysis causes analysis paralysis. This is one of the reasons why we bounced back. We should have exited this area when this 50 level broke up. I think I did mention in my previous videos that you can use the fib levels as targets. But anyway, my point is, in conclusion, for crude oil, we are still at the sideways range at the highs. These are the periods, trading days. That's how we've been trading. All right. So we are still at the sideways range. It was again a kind of a fake out breakout. The sellers came with full strong force all the way down, but the buyers took over and pulled them back up. If buyers are really dominating and in charge, then of course we are above the 200 EMA. Then we should break above 102.88, and we should continue to trend upwards. And if we have a long position, which is 130.20, we can extend this trend line and use it as our target area to profit. You can imagine it where it's going. So I hope this video helps, and let's now quickly look at gold as well. Gold. All right, this is the daily chart. You can use these. I've marked the support and resistance already on gold. Okay, we had very good opportunities on gold in the past. 103.20 was a breakout trade that we took. Where's 1320? Sorry, 1320. I think it was the break of this candle when I entered long, and it went very good in our favor, about 2,528 pips. Yeah. Now it's trying to pull back. It's like a wave long. For those of you who missed the entry, you could jump back in at 1320 if you get the opportunity, but I don't think so. The market came there. All right. So this is the next resistance, 1345, 1361. The 1361 is the key, which I'm seeing that's coming from the past, which is around 28th of October 2013. Yeah, that's where I want to exit. But you know what we can do? If we break above 1345, we can move our stop we can move the stop for 1320 a long trade to this next resistance. So that if it reverses back and it wants to go back against us, we can exit with profit. But yeah, the good news on gold is that it's good to be long. We're above the 200 EMA. It's a bullish EMA. Technically, gold is on our side, but bad thing, oil is not on our side. But yeah, gold we are holding, and 1362. This is the reason why I gave you 1362 buy stop. 1361.80 is the resistance. You see that? So let's see if the buyers are really pumped up, because they're going really strong here. There was a strong move in the past as well, up to here. But let's see. So that's for gold. And for oil, there's no clear entry at the moment, no clear pattern. This is an M pattern that's going down, but you see how stuttery it is. It's not a clear pattern. We need clear patterns just like this. We go down, pull back. It's a breakout trade. This is a good pattern. This was a good wave pattern as well. Trend continuation, M pattern. That goes 45 ticks in favor. These are the clearer patterns. This kind of pattern, you see, we go up, pull back. It's a clear. Let me disable the auto scroll. You see, this is a clear pattern. We go up, pull back, and continue up, and pull back, continue up. So we have to learn how to identify clear and good pattern. These kind of trash shit patterns we don't want to follow. These are stutter step patterns. These are not clear at all, and we want to stay away from them. This is a clear pattern. Go up, stutter. We've got a range. Below this we can short. Similarly here as well. You see, you have to learn how to identify bad patterns. If you see bad patterns, you have to stay away from them, just like this one. Now this is a bad pattern. This also basically shows buyers and sellers are into a boxing match. They're fighting against each other. And yep. Now, just for the sake of fun, or not staying bored, let's see the price to come at 101.94 and start going up. Okay, but we don't want it to go up. We want it to go short. Okay, so probably this could turn into a lower low. This is a lower low, and this could be a lower high. You know, but let's see, just like this, lower. Okay. No, so if it's really forming a bear channel now, if crude oil is really showing signs to create a bear channel, then yeah, we are going all the way down. All right. So that's it for now. I hope the video benefits you. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the Skype room and I'll be available for you to answer them. So have a good trading day. Bye bye.